Have you ever felt like the world just stopped for you? Like everything you knew was gone in an instant? This is Sarah's story, a story of loss, pain, and the fight to find hope again. Sarah was happily married once. Her husband was her best friend and partner. They dreamed of a bright future together. But one day, that future shattered. Her husband died suddenly in a car accident, leaving Sarah alone with their baby girl. The shock was unbearable. Her heart broke in ways she never imagined. The nights were the hardest, when the house was silent and she held her daughter tight, feeling lost and scared. Sarah was lucky to have this safety net. The insurance helped pay for the funeral and some bills, but it was only a short-term relief. Because soon, the reality hit hard. The insurance money ran out. Bills kept coming. Rent, food, diapers, doctor visits, all on a single income. Sarah felt overwhelmed. The weight of grief mixed with fear and uncertainty. She struggled with anxiety and loneliness. Sometimes, she wondered if she could keep going. One day, while scrolling on her phone late at night, Sarah saw a video pop up. It was about a woman who changed her life by learning how to manage money better. At first, Sarah just watched it because she was curious. But soon, she found herself watching more videos like that. She became hungry to learn everything she could about money, saving, and investing. Sarah's struggles had caught the eye of a kind neighbor who told her about a community group for single mothers. There, she found a mentor who believed in her and helped her understand how to take control of her finances. Sarah knew she needed a plan, not just to survive, but to build a future. She started by writing down every dollar she earned and spent. She cut out all unnecessary expenses. No more takeout or extra shopping. Every dollar had a job. Even when money was tight, she saved a small amount every week, sometimes just $5, but she never missed a week. Sarah kept learning about personal finance, how to avoid debt traps, how to build credit responsibly, how to invest small amounts for the future. She stuck to her plan, even when it was hard, even when she felt like giving up. Months passed, then years. Sarah slowly paid off her debts, built an emergency fund, and started investing in a retirement account. She found a better job with steady hours and benefits, one that allowed her to spend more time with her daughter. Sarah's journey was not easy. There were dark days filled with doubt and fear, but she never gave up. Today, Sarah runs a small business helping other single parents manage their money and build better lives. She is proof that even after the darkest storms, you can find light again. If you are struggling, remember Sarah's story. Start small, make a plan, find support, and keep moving forward. Your dreams are still possible, and your new life can begin today. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Subscribe for more real stories and helpful advice. Share your own journey or questions in the comments below. You are stronger than you know, and your future is waiting for you.